Feel this truth at the core of your being. I am light. With a deep inhale and a complete exhale, we open the body and the mind and the heart to this moment's meditation. Inviting the body to gently relax, the eyes to close, the breath to deepen. There is no place to go, no thing to do. So we open up completely to what this moment has, what it is, what it offers. Allowing that mantra, I am light, to guide this time of centering. We allow this truth to inform our experience. We are light expressing. Taking a moment to acknowledge the sunrise today. To acknowledge the quiet of the morning. To slow down and notice the things that sometimes pass by our awareness. Each morning, we have an opportunity to experience a new day. Not the same day 365 times, but a new day, fresh with new perceptions, perspectives, and awareness. With my little one each morning, we say these words. Good morning, sun. Good night, moon. Hello, day. I make you my own. I greet you with an open heart, eyes of love, and healing hands. Thank you. Namaste. This space of allowing the fullness of this moment. We allow the body to become so very still. Knowing that a quiet mind follows a still body. As we relax deeply into the silence. You are light. We let these words go before us with everyone we greet. From our heart of hearts. We whisper the sweet words, you are light. As we look into and through everything that the eyes see, straight to the truth of all creation, we are one. Namaste.